Hello, dear students. Welcome to Shasa's virtual classroom. So today we'll do a recap of whatever we have learned till now. So basically, this is a recap session. So in this lesson, we'll discuss what all we have done till now. So the first lesson was cash transactions. So in this lesson, we learned how to record cash transactions when payments are made and amounts are received. When amounts are received in received and paid. So that is what is cash transaction. Cash transaction means money is paid to someone and money is received from someone. So how to pass those entries? So that's all we have done. So here in this we have learned all about personal transactions, like when we receive money from accounts, personal accounts, how to record them. So when someone gives money and someone receives money, how to record it. And we have even learned how to record expenses, how to record when payment is being made or received. So all these things we have learned in cash transactions. In lesson number 2, we learned credit transactions. So what are credit transactions? Credit transactions are those where we where amounts are not paid, where amounts are not paid or not paid. So or not paid. So that is why it's called credit transaction. The payment is not made instantly, or amount is also not received instantly. So again, how to record when amount is not received, and again when there is a transaction with personal account, when there is a transaction with expense account, income account, and all other stuff. So we have learned in credit transactions. How to record credit transactions we have learned in second lesson. So we have done couple of questions. So here also we have done couple of questions. In this also we have done couple of questions. We have discussed a couple of questions. Please go through that. And then again, third, we have learned books of prime entry. We have learned about books of prime entry. So what are the books of prime entry? Sales journal, sales journal, purchase journal, sales return journal, purchase return journal, cash book, general journal, or just journal. Okay, so what is recorded in sales journal? All sales, all particularly all details of sales, particularly credit sales, are entered in sales journal. Purchase journal, all credit purchases are recorded. Sales return journal returns when customer returns the goods, then whatever entries make, so that is made in sales return journal. Purchase return journal, we record the purchases, we reject the material and when it is given back, so that is what is purchase return journal. So that is written in purchase return journal. So in cash book we record amounts received and paid whether cash or check. Okay, so cash or check, and even discount column also we have learned. Discount column, how to write discount column. So we have learned how to record entries in sales journal, purchase journal, sales return journal, sales return journal, purchase return journal, cash book, general journal or journal. So what will be entered in general journal? Adjustment entries like outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses. So purchase of non-current assets, like purchase of machinery, purchase of how to rectify entries. So for non-current assets, entries related to non-current assets, rectification entries. So basically, what all doesn't come in sales journal, purchase journal, sales return journal, purchase return journal, cash book. So that will be reflected in general journal or journal. So that is how it is. So we have learned how to write this and all. So then how to post it to the ledger also we have learned how to post to ledger. And again we have learned division of classification of accounts, division or classification of ledger accounts, ledgers also we have learned. And so in ledger we have learned how to post, how to prepare. All these things we have learned in ledger accounts. So then division or classification of ledgers. So what is the purpose? How many different classifications are there? So all those things we have learned. And we have learned the balancing of ledger accounts, balancing of ledger accounts. So that is how to uh, do the balancing of ledger accounts. And we have done one comprehensive problem also. Comprehensive, comprehensive problem to cover up all these aspects, and we have prepared, ultimately we have prepared trial balance. So how to prepare trial balance? Prepare trial balance. What is trial balance? How to prepare trial balance? The format of trial balance, the procedure, the structure or the design of trial balance. All these things we have learned. Uh, all this, whatever is there, whatever we have learned, all this is known as bookkeeping. So all this is known as bookkeeping. So till the preparation of trial balance, the work is done by bookkeeper or clerk. So after this, the next step starts. So the next step is known as financial accounting. So the accountant does the financial accounting job. So he starts with financial accounting. So next lesson. So here onwards we will be doing financial accounting lessons, like how to prepare income statement, how to prepare balance sheet, what are the differences. So the main accounts here till here was all basic but very very important for you to get understanding of accountancy. So now from the next lesson onwards we will start financial accounting. Till then, bye bye.